We're pruning here some hydrangeas. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 8 of them. See how I go. Welcome to Garden Care Man. Now, in this video, as you can probably already see, I'll be pruning 9 hydrangeas, and basically the idea with these is to prune them when the flowers are finished and take them down to the first double bud, or the lowest double bud, I guess you'd call it. So if there isn't a double bud, just choose something that's close, or if there's nothing on it at all, I just remove the whole thing. Normally it's all crunchy and dead looking, so you know when to prune it all off. But yeah, down to the double, that is the best place to go for the maximum bloomage. And a few things to think about when you're doing them is be careful. Firstly, be careful when you're actually picking them up, because they're sharp, and if you bend down and pick one up out of the middle, normally a stick will hit you in the face. So you need to be careful what you're doing, especially when you're picking them up. That's why I actually try and pick them up with the long-handled loppers, so I don't have to bend down. Yeah, and when you prune them, you don't need to leave any leaves at all, no flowers. I generally try and pluck all the leaves off so I can see what I've done. And yeah, when you're finished, just sort of leave them neat around the bottom. Take away all the rubbish. The sign that they're finished is the flowers look quite dead. You might have 1 or 2 still colourful on there, but that still means they're finished, ready to prune. And you can't really make much of a mistake. The only thing you can do is sort of prune in the wrong place, and you might not get as many flowers next time, that's all. But if you just stick to that little point there, down to the double, keeps you out of trouble, is the saying that someone told me. So, and if there isn't a double, just choose the next place. You can't really go wrong. That's the way I do it, and I hope you enjoy watching this. There's something else at the end, just before and after, but generally this is about hydrangeas, and here I'm pruning 9 of them, and it took me around an hour and a half to do, and that's including the cleanup. So yeah, hope you like the video. Any questions, put them in the comments. To the lowest doubles, and look in there. Having a go. See how that one looks now. Just get rid of that grass in a minute, just to help it grow a bit. Right. next. Slightly bigger one. There's that one over there I've done already behind that rose. Come to this one. Yeah, stand up here. I like to clean up as I go along, just so that if anything ever happens, I've got to go somewhere that it's all clean up to where just makes more sense. Two done. When you're picking up them you got to be careful because you've got to reach down, and as you're reaching down, these ones up here will poke you right in the eye if you're not careful. So you just got to do it slowly. Reach down, pick them up slowly, then you can't get poked in the eye as easily. Great, basically. Or 5 buckets would be for this one. 1, 2 done. Just to go. Third one now. All strong. No loose ones in there. That's good. I've got 3 buckets now. 1, 2, 3. Gotta go in there. Good. Now just going to get the blower rather than it's easier. Take all these away. Well. Exact same place. What was that? I think that's it there. Let's see you in here. So I'll get to it.